What are you doing? Cutting vegetables? 4?
Tante's gonna cook it with her. Igado.
What, hígado? What are you doing? Huh? Now, Mr. Dino Guan himself. Hello. Hello. What's up, wild man?
Hey, what's up, man?
That's wild man right there. You too. Put it on YouTube. Birds in the Philippines. I remember there was no birds here for a long time. Huh. Almost there. Not quite. Hígado and pancit. Bye. You can see we are right behind the shield.
James.
James.
Hey, wave.
Hello, James.
Yeah.
Shy.
Yeah.
The pancit,
Tinuguan.
dinuguan, and the hígado, and the liver.
Yeah. Oh.
Yes, of course. Cantante.
Yes.
Now let's do the rice.
Tete, nagkasya.
No banana leaves.
Banana leaves.
Doing the rice. Spins.
Titanic. Oh.
Hour or so. We're almost there. Not yet. Norma's mother and sister. Hello, Auntie Mary. How are you? You okay? Good? Okay. Here we are, trying to keep the dogs away from the pig. Ready to go. That's That's me talking in Filipino to a dog. Just kidding, just kidding. All right, here we go. That's the chef, master chef. Okay.